he'll stay escape. These scars won't have yearned for your tender caress, to bind our fortunes, damn what the stars own. When my heart opened, then your love professed, a winding, weaving fate to which we both atone. You flee. My dream come the morning, your scent berries tart, lilac sweet. To dream of raven locks and twisted storming, of violet eyes glistening as you weep. The wolf I will follow into the
Layla, what's it squat in its pocket? She's pretty fast. Good job, Layla. That's so cute. Again. She gets her exercise.
Hey, Justin.
Hey, Janet. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Just chugging along.
Do you have anything, like we just synced, is there anything specific you wanted to talk about?
No,
Like,
not really.
I've got a bunch of stuff in development,
Reminder,
but...
I'm out till next Tuesday.
Right.
But besides that, no, I'm just wrapping up the
Tying up the loose ends for your vacation, basically.
tying up the loose ends for my vacation for the rest of the day. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I won't take up any more of your time. I'll let you go. And I appreciate all that you do. I hope you have a good time on your PTO.
Thank you.
And you know, all the work will be here when you get back. I promise.
Sure will. Talk to you later, Justin.
Later, Jen.